In this video, we're going to wrap it up by adding our content. This is very easy to do. Okay, so let's add a new post. And this one is going to be cameras. Okay, so we can call this best discount camera deals. Okay, and then down here, we should add an image of a camera. So if you have an image of a camera, you can do that. You could go over to, let's go to department here, and let's go and find cameras. I don't particularly suggest you do this because you may not have rights to actually take a image from Amazon and use it, but I'm just going to do this for the demonstration. Make sure you have rights to any images you use, but I'm going to save this and I'll save it to here. Okay, so let's go back here. Let's insert our image. And we can just drop it in here from our files. So we have, here's our image. We can just drop it into there. There it is. We'll give it a title here. You can give it a caption and a description here. And we're going to say none for the link URL. And then we're going to align it left. So the text will wrap around it. You could also just do an alignment none, and then the text, it'll show right at the top. Or you could center it. Let's just center it in this case. And then you pick the size, insert into post. Okay, and here it is. Now down here we give it some text. And we give it, see the best camera deals on Amazon. Okay, now I've given you some code that you can put right here. Now what you want to do is go to HTML mode at this point. Okay, now the code I gave you in your package, you'll see a code.txt, and here it is. So all you got to do is grab this line. Let's just do, and then bring it into here, into your post. Paste it in here. Okay, now what you want to do here, there's a few things to change. You're going to use this as many lines as you want for your different discounts. So this one says 90 to 99% off. So if you want to do 1 to 25 for the first one, so you do 1 to 25, and then here you'd put 1 to 25. Now there's two more things you need to change. You need to go get your Amazon affiliate or associate tracking ID and put it right here. So go over to associate program and Amazon. So Amazon.com associates. And once you're signed in, you'll see over here your tracking ID. So grab that. And we're going to come back in here. And we're going to replace this with our tracking ID. And you'll see up here node equals department. That's the other piece of the pie we need here. So we want to go over to, we'll just go to Amazon.com now. That's all we need out of our associate account right now. And then we're going to go shop by departments, and then we're going to go to electronics, and then we're going to go to cameras, photo, and video. Okay, and then you can pick what you want in here. Let's say we want point and shoot. And to get the node, you will find it in the top of the browser. Let me move this down. And if we look up here, you'll see node equals in the URL somewhere. Here it is. You see node equals and then some numbers here just before the and sign. So grab this and copy. Okay, that's what we want to put in department. So node equals department. So overlay department with that node. Okay, and then you can copy this line. Again, all you're going to have to do now is change the percentages after you've changed the first two. So we'll go here and we'll say 26 to 50, 26 to 50, and so on. Okay, so let's do a preview here. Okay, there's our top of our post, and you'll see items that are 1 to 25% off and that are 20 to 50 or 26 to 50% off. Let's just close this. Now, click here, and you'll see point and shoot digital cameras that are 1 to 25% off. If we go back, 26 to 50, point and shoot digital cameras, 26 to 50% off. Now, if you don't want it to open in the same window, all you have to do is go back here, and at the end of the URL right here, just after the quotes, you could go target equals blank like this if you want them to open separate windows. Okay, so that's what you do. You create your pages like this. So let's publish this page. And now let's go visit our site. Okay, we go to cameras. Okay, and this is the summary that it puts in this particular theme. That's why it's doing that. Okay, and then we click on that. And here we are back here. This should open in a new window now. And there it is. Okay, so that's all there is to it. You just go through, put in your categories, and then put in your items in here, and you have an Amazon discount store.